Ghost. It's something you either believe in or you don't. For one, I am a believer, and although there is plenty of evidence that exists in photographs and video, nothing quite compares to how you feel when the hairs stand on the back of your neck and a sense of cold comes over you when you see something that is truly real. A few months ago, I was sent this photograph. The story of the photograph can be summed up like this. This amazing yet frightening photo was on a cell phone after one of my family members visited dead relatives at a cemetery in California. They claim that this photo was on the cell phone and that they did not take it. It wasn't until later when they got home that they discovered that this photo was on their phone. With a little enhancement and cropping, you can clearly see 3 spirits, maybe more. The main spirit, which takes up most of the frame, appears to be looking directly at the camera, while the other 2 spirits appear to be looking to the side in a profile view. This is truly an amazing find.